Welcome back to Sunday Live Share. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Guys, TK Dlamini Mastermind is one of the exciting and highly celebrated old characters of Uzalo. Most women love him because of his looks. He is described as one of the handsome characters or actors in Mzansi. To read the few comments after Lea video, the first one said, "Hey bazala banyo mama ngifuna ungasho umuhle webhudu wabantu." Omunye wathi muhle kodwa na yey. Omunye wathi ayimuhle yayinhle indoda. Mastermind is hot and clean. Ngifisa nje ukuzwa iphunga lakhe. Wow, whether he gained weight or not, he is good. Yo, Mastermind, God took his time to create him. Guys, he is back again on Uzalo, and it's not yet clear if the producers will have something for him after istory sika Khathide afike ngaso njengamanje. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.